going to pan round for the sky, which is just seriously beautiful this morning. So breathing that vision, those colours and the natural beauty. Morning. It's fairly early, the sun is starting to rise. Beautiful winter's day. And breathing in and out the cold, fresh air and getting this sense of vitality and this air of nature, the cycle of oxygen coming from the trees in the same way that Calina has been doing in her Under the Tree series, Natureworks112358. But here in Breathwork, she's been giving you the example of the cycle. In nature, we feel that cycles are really paramount. They are the essence of essentials of the workings. So oxygen we get comes from the trees. The trees are the lungs of the earth. And we're just, another example is the seasons. So you have the winter, the spring, the summer, the autumn. So getting rid of the old, preparing the ground, sowing the seeds in spring. It flourishes, grows, expands in the summer, gives you the harvest in the autumn, and then we get rid of the old in the winter, put everything to bed. So these cycles are a really good essence of the boundaries. In nature there's very little, if any, double standards, and they are our saviour. It's the way that we can have an antidote to the rush of modern life. We're really enjoying it out here. So remember, breathing with the trees and nature. Calina.
Welcome to Breathworks. We're out again in nature, enjoying the beautiful winter sun. Inhaling the energy from the light into our bodies and just giving yourself that extra revitalization during the winter months. Each week when you watch these videos, really practice the breath. Take deep inhalations using your belly. When you take the time to practice breathing, you'll find a shift in your everyday life. How you deal with different situations, how you feel, your perception, the creativity that you wish to create, the design you wish to make of your life will come naturally. It will flow easily into your unique self to transcend into your life. When you take moments to breathe and to revitalize the body and the cells and give optimum health to your body, you feel more joyous. The rib cage expands, also massaging the back. If you have any tension in the back, especially again from the winter months, when we're tensing our body, we're holding our shoulders up because it's cold. You can breathe into these areas. And when you breathe into the back, into the rib cage, and you expand and contract, you are gently massaging the rib cage and also relaxing the muscles that are attached to these areas. So try breathing into the back, breathe in nature, and revitalize the body. Breathworks, every week, joining us out in nature. Thank you for your support. Have a wonderful week.